Hi my friends and everybody. Welcome to GMK World Channel. Today's, we will show you new Gundam plastic models as release on November 2024. Gunpla lineup November 2024. HG1 144th, Destiny Gundam SpecII and Zeus silhouette. Price? 7,920 yen, tax included. BB Senshi ZGMF Zaku series set. Price? 3.520 yen, tax included. MGSD Wing Gundam Zero Endless Waltz. Price? 4,950 yen, tax included. HGUC 144th, Bolinoak Sammahn. Price? 3,520 yen, tax included. Finally, this is Gunpla lineup November 2024, release info by bandai-hobby.net. For more information, go to https://bandai-hobby.net/schedule/202411. Thanks for watching. For news and more information about Gundam plastic models kits, please subscribe our GMK World channel.